So we have an LG refrigerator. Customer's complaint is the water filter housing assembly is always constantly staying down like this. Going through the unit and actually diagnosing it, the one things that we want to look for are, does the unit still have the claws? So when it goes up and it locks into that position, it'll be able to stay up. And as you can see, it's just dropping right back down. So what these claws actually bite into on the top side here is virtually just a little flush, flat lip. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this filter housing assembly, as well as put in a new cover for the customer, just for peace of mind, to make sure everything is done properly and the repair is sound. The customer also has a new water filter, so while we're in here, as preventive maintenance, we're also going to change out the filter and get that taken care of. So pretty easy in and out, and it should take us maybe about 5 minutes.
They could have made this a whole lot easier. You know how they have those snap plastic cases? I could have made it from that. Okay. No, they said he's struggling for his life still.
Seriously?
Yeah.
So did they ever clear up if he was shot in the chest, or they have their website still says the bathroom?
Yeah, the only time I heard chest was that gal that reported last night on Channel 2, which we don't usually watch.
I'm sure he had a vest on, so I'm not sure. I guess they can sneak through the side or something. So they had to deal with that first cop that was killed in New York.
Okay, so with the new piece out, we're going to look at those slopes, and you can actually see on those slopes there, they do look like they're intact. But we already have the new one here with us, so we're going to take a look at it and see in comparison. So with the new one, the new flaps are still in the same spot, but however, when this one snaps in, it locks in place and is able to, to grab over. And that's the whole thing that holds that cover into place. So we're gonna go and put the new one in, get it all taken care of, test it, and make sure it's repaired properly. So the customer has a new water filter. We're gonna go ahead and push that in for her as well. There we go. She's in the locked position. Sits flush. So now we're gonna slide in your new cover. And make sure that that's done as well. And then we should be able to lock that guy into place. Perfect. So, testing the unit. There she is. And there's her fix.